Good day. I'm Dr. Saurabh Goel, interventional cardiologist from Faith Clinic, Mumbai. Today I'm going to talk about cardiac rehabilitation, which is a special program to help people recover from heart attack, heart ailments, and bypass surgery. This is a very good program which helps people increase their physical fitness, reduce heart complaints, and reduce the future of further new heart attacks. So, who actually needs a cardiac rehab program? People of all ages who had any heart event can benefit from this program. Those who've had a heart attack, blockages in arteries, chest pain, heart failure, or have had heart surgery like bypass surgery, valve replacement, angioplasty, pacemaker implantation, all these individuals can benefit from this program. Those who had long-standing disease like blood pressure, diabetes, obesity without heart disease can also enroll in what is called as the primary prevention program. So, what are the benefits of attending this cardiac rehab program? The regular physical exercise improves heart health and the whole body gets stronger and works better. There is a great improvement in energy levels. The chances of future events are definitely reduced. Counseling and education by professionals helps people to quit smoking, eat right, lose weight, lower their blood pressure, and change their risk factors. This can provide a guidance to the people to get fitter and quickly return to their work. So, what are the key features of an online cardiac rehabilitation program? So this can be divided into two parts. One is the primary prevention program. This is for people who didn't have a heart disease but are at risk of developing one, like those with obesity, blood pressure, diabetes, strong family history. They can enroll to prevent a heart attack. The second focused program is the secondary prevention program. This is for people who already passed through a heart event and have angioplasty, bypass surgery. And this can be done at home, and the people can enroll in a very customized graded exercise program, which is designed as per the person's medical conditions, weight, and other factors. We can start in about a week after an angioplasty or 4 weeks after bypass surgery, but the protocol must be set by a cardiac rehab expert, and it should at least be continued for 3 to 6 months to be of benefit. The improved quality of life and reduction in the risk factors creates a great sense of well-being and optimism in the individual. So how is the exercise training done in a cardiac rehab program? This is done with the help of a supervised heart rate oriented goal, where initially you start with a slow level of exercise and build it up gradually till the appropriate heart rate is achieved, and then strength training is also introduced. During this, the individual has to monitor themselves, and if there is any heart symptom, the specialist must be informed. As long as the heart is functioning smoothly and the person is able to exercise, the exercise is increased gradually as per the tolerance. Faith Clinic's successful online rehab program includes a very customized program. The exercise protocol is designed by experts and based on the parameters of weight, age, and the medical conditions. Diet is prepared with a very goal-oriented eating pattern to reduce weight, especially for those who are overweight. Self-monitoring is done by each individual with the help of measurements, simple measurements like weight, waist-hip ratio, and some other parameters which are given weekly to the expert team to analyze. Motivation is a key factor to success of such a program. So our counselors follow up on the exercise protocol, lifestyle and diet modifications, and speak to motivate the person to maintain a positive outlook, and a complete recovery can then be achieved. This home-based program has great flexibility and low reliance on machines and can be done in each person's own environment. Medicines that are already prescribed for blood pressure, cholesterol, heart disease must be continued as per advice of the regular physician, because this program complements the regular heart treatment. Modification of the risk factors such as stopping smoking, tobacco, reducing alcohol with diet and exercise, and reducing mental stress and load can definitely help the heart in a very big way. So knowing what to expect in this cardiac rehabilitation program and having a customized program designed and monitored by experts is a very important first step to heart health. So if you have heart disease or want to prevent heart disease, enroll with Faith Clinic online cardiac rehab program, because your life may depend on it. Thank you.